All right. Hi, everybody. Happy Friday. On Monday, we're going to start doing virtual office hours for music class. So I wanted to go over some of the details and how that works and what that is. So first of all, what it is it's a time that I'll be sitting in a virtual meeting. We're using Microsoft Teams. I'm sure you've seen it with some of your other classes. And I will be there to answer your questions, whatever you need to ask between 8:30 and 9:30. Okay? This is a time for you to ask questions. Okay, and that's kind of it. So if you want me to show you anything or you need something tuned or anything like that, I can help you during that time. I can always help you through email or whatever other way you've been communicating with me so far. So this is just another extra thing that we're putting out there that you can use for help. The way office hours work is that Dr. Siggins divided up the whole day, so you wouldn't have to worry about missing office hours for one class to go to another. So all the specials have 8:30 to 9:30 in the morning as our office hours. So yeah, we definitely have the earliest ones, and I know many of you will probably be asleep that entire time, but I will be up and I'll be ready to help you if you need it, okay? The other thing that's a little different is the way to get into office hours for the specials. We're going to be using a ticket system because we have, a lot of kids in our classes. So what you want to do, if you want to do office hours for the next day, the next 8:30 time slot, okay? You're going to go to everybody's favorite Google Classroom and you're going to go to classwork. The topic right here, music class office hours daily, 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. You're going to click that link right there, ticket to office hours, and that's going to send you to a Google form. Okay, it will probably make you log in. Make sure you're using your Springford specific login. Okay, at rams.springford.net. Okay, you're just going to fill in each little form here. I'll fill in mine, so I'll reserve time for myself on period 1 or whatever period you're in. Of course, what topic would you like assistance with today? If you're doing the performance, write down what instrument you want to do, like drumming performance, or ukulele, or guitar, or whatever, okay? And that's the first part, okay? So you're going to hit next. The next part of it is all of the rules, okay? The thing with virtual office hours, it's going to be very close to all the expectations you would have in the classroom, except you have to be a little bit more vigilant about making sure that even though you're at home, you're still following the rules that you need to, okay? So I have it all spelled out one thing at a time. All of these rules are straight from the school district official online learning rules, okay? So it's not like I made them up or anything. Make sure you are dressed appropriately. So you're going to read through that whole thing. You're going to click that box or you're not going to be able to sign up. When you go into Microsoft Teams, you can blur your background or put up some kind of fancy, room behind you. That's fine. I just don't want to necessarily see your living room. So you want to make sure you're changing your background to something. If you have headphones, please use them. So that way I'm not hearing your little brothers and sisters screaming at you. It really cuts down on the background noise. Act appropriately. That one's huge. So make sure you're reading through all that. A lot of these have to do if there's a whole bunch of people in the room. But even if it's just me or just me and Mr. Alex, you're going to make sure you are treating us exactly like you would be treating teachers in school. Okay? And then this last one is a super important one. Anytime you sign on for any online meeting with any teacher, we all have to record every second of that meeting. So that way if something's up, okay, or if somebody breaks a rule or something, you will get referred right to, I send that recording right to the principals. Okay, and then Dr. Siggins or Dr. Koch will get a hold of you and they will see exactly what happened. Okay, so it's like, imagine being in school, but you're being recorded every second of every class. Right? Crazy. Okay, now I want to show you one other thing. Move stuff around. Boom. There we go. Yeah, I want to leave page. Okay, so right here, if you would like to attend office hours. You must complete this form 15 minutes before, so 8:15 a.m., or complete it the day before. If you know you have something you want to ask, just go ahead and send it in as soon as you think of it. You do not complete the form, you're not allowed in, okay? Now, as we get rolling, of course, there's going to be hiccups with technology, so it's not like you're banned from it. It's just, this is the way we're going to eventually want to do it, so we want to get into the habit of it, okay? If you're having difficulty signing up for office hours, just let me know, and I'll just get you the link one way or another, okay? As you sign this out, I'll automatically get your email addresses and all that, and I will send you the link for that day's office hours right when we start, okay? Where will it be? It will probably be in your Springford Google email, which is up, if you go back to the classroom page, can I move this again? Yeah. The little waffle right next to where you're signed in, okay? And that will have probably somewhere in there a mail thing. Now, if that doesn't work the first day, I'll just post it on. We'll figure it out, okay? So that's going to be the general expectations. If you want to come to office hours, you have to get a ticket by doing the Google form, and I'll let you know the code. We're learning throughout this whole process. So that's what we're going to go with to start. And then if I need to update how we do it, I'll send a new information video, okay? So if you have questions on how this works, just let me know. If you want to sign up for office hours, I'll post that page will be live for you to sign up at all times. Okay, so I'll just check what day you all signed up for, and that will be when you come into office hours. If you are feeling confident and you don't really have any questions, you do not need to sign up, okay? If you do not want to attend today's office hours, you do not need to complete the form. Super easy, okay? So that's going to be our first steps in office hours. It'll be cool to be able to help you in as many ways as possible. Okay, until then, of course, if you have any questions about anything, I'm right here via email, via comments. So just let me know if you need anything, okay? Have a great weekend, and I'll see you all on Monday.